Good morning. In this class, I'm going to explain you the substitution method for solving recurrence relations. In this method, there are two main steps are there. In the first step, we are going to assume a solution, and in step two, we are going to prove that our assumed solution will work, and for base condition also. So, to understand this method, let's take an example. For example, in this method, for example, let's take a solution that's Tn is equal to big O log n. Then we will try to prove of big O notations equation, that is a Tn is equal to less than equal to dgn for some values of d greater than 0 and n greater than n naught. Then by using induction hypothesis, we will show that this condition will work for all k less than n. Then our goal is to prove that this induction hypothesis will work for the base condition or initial conditions. So let's take an example. Suppose we are having a recurrence relation for binary search. We have to assume the solution of this recurrence relation. Let's assume that the solution of this equation is Tn is equal to big O log n. So we know that the condition for big O notation, we know that Fn must be less than equal to Cgn. This is a condition for big O notation. So by induction goal, we have to show this Tn, that is our Fn, and less than equal to Dgn, that is our Cgn, for all values of n greater than n naught and for some values of d, that is a constant. So by using induction hypothesis, we can write this. If this relation, let us assume it will work for n by 2. So we have assumed that this works n by 2, so we can write this equation like this. So our induction goal is that we are having relation Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus C. By replacing Tn by 2 from this equation, we can write this, that d log n by 2 plus C. After solving this relation, we can find d log n minus d plus C, and this whole equation we can write like this, that because we are having some values minus d plus C. So if minus d plus C is less than 0, then we can write d must be greater than C. So if our d is greater than equal to C, then this value will be less than equal to dgn. So to find the base case, we can solve the equation that if we are having a single element, then binary search will take one time. So we can write T1 equals to 1. So this is our method, substitution method for solving a recurrence relationship. Another example, we'll take another example, that is Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus n. That is a recurrence relation for representing worst case of quick short. So if we are having this relation, let us assume that the solution is Tn is equal to big O n square. Now our goal to prove that Fn is less than equal to Cgn. It means we have, this is my Fn, this is my Gn, so I can write this equation. So if this relation we have to prove, then I can assume that this will work for n minus 1. So I can write this equation by replacing n by n minus 1. So let's take our example to next step. So I can write my equation Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 plus C is less than equal to, I can replace the solution for Tn minus 1, that is a Cn minus 1 square. So I can write this Cn minus square plus n. After solving this whole square, I can write these equations. Finally, I can write if this condition is greater than 0, 2Cn minus C minus n is greater than 0, I can write that this equation will become true, this equation. So after solving this relation, I can find that if C is greater than 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon n, I can write this relation will be true. For solving this, I can write that if C is greater than or equal to 1, this relation will work. So I can prove this relation. Next video, we will explain our new method. Thank you so much.